Get strong.
Looking for a bold and stylish design that instantly grabs attention? Then this one is definitely for you. Today we're featuring our colorful curls and coffee design, modern, expressive, and full of personality. Here's the P&G high quality and ready for your projects. The vibrant curls, relaxed pose, and stylish outfit make this artwork stand out beautifully. Now, let's take a closer look at how this design appears when applied to apparel. Printed with Eco Solvent Heat Transfers, the colors stay rich and smooth with a clean finish perfect for t-shirts, hoodies, and everyday streetwear. If you love stylish character designs like this, make sure to browse our full collection for more. Don't forget to like and subscribe as we put out newly created images 2 to 3 times a week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Get strong. Get strong.